Let's embroider upright cross stitch together. It's a very simple technique and the result looks like a plus sign. Start with a simple horizontal stitch and then add a vertical one on top. You can embroider upright cross stitch as detached decorative elements, make them in rows for borders, or use them for filling. To embroider a simple geometrical filling, embroider one row of upright cross stitch. Then, on the way back, embroider the second row of the cross stitch just under the first one. For more visual interest, you can offset the rows of upright cross stitch and make it more dense and more interesting filling. Here's how the backside of the upright cross stitch filling looks like.